If you want to get 70 out of 70 but don't know how to utilize these last days, you have to revise your theory portion nicely from your notes. After revising those 4 chapters, make sure that you are completing at least one mock test and one previous year question paper complete. So don't underestimate the power of writing. Hello dear lovely students, I Rajni Mamgai welcome you here at Physics Wallah Gulf, and today we are just going to discuss the last 5 days strategy to completely revise your biology for board exam. So you have exam on 25th, and if you want to get 70 out of 70 but don't know how to utilize these last days, so stay with me till the end because we are going to discuss most important thing. So first of all, you have to revise your theory portion nicely from your notes, right? So just revise, you have 13 chapters, so you just give 3 days for the revision, for the theory revision. So suppose today you have revised initial 4 chapters, right? And those, then what would you do after revising those 4 chapters? Make sure that you are completing at least one mock test and one previous year question paper complete biology question paper, right? Second day, same you have to repeat, and third day, so when your syllabus is over, then what would you do in the last 2 days? So make sure that you are solving previous year question mock test and you are writing them nicely, and you are just revising, actively recalling all the difficult examples, all the difficult these topics in your head. And if you are not able to recall, make sure you are just going back to your notes and revising it and writing it down. So don't underestimate the power of writing. So you have to practice writing answers beautifully. So you have to take these 5 days seriously, and when you are solving previous year question and mock test, so solve them as you are solving in the main board exam, right, in order to get the 70 out of 70. So we have made in this channel, we have made a lot of the videos on how to write down the exams like a topper, or how to present your paper to get 70 out of 70, because no matter how much knowledge you have, if you are not able to present it beautifully, you won't get 70, you won't get full marks, right? So make sure you are just checking out those videos also. And in case you are not getting that how to solve previous year question, how to write down the answer beautifully, so very soon on this channel we are just coming live, and we will do previous year question, all 4-5 years previous question and most important questions for your 2025. So make sure you are attending those live sessions with us on 24th. Stay tuned, all the best, and we are always with you. So stay connected with us and share it with those kids who are really confused at how to write down the answers, and what are the most important topics, or what are the most important questions for your board exam, because we are coming soon live on this channel. All the best, kids. Stay connected.